Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Bacon Hair Boy from Roblox. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with 2 lines down. Then at the bottom, let's curve it in. And a line across. Now we're going to hop inside and draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals at the top here for the eyes. And let's make it slightly higher up than the sides of the face like this. And then color them both in black. Then hop underneath and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and draw the hair. In the center, let's draw a curve down. Curve it on top of the right eye. And back up. Then from the top, let's bring it over and down. Now for the next piece of hair, let's draw a curve over to the right on top. Then let's curve it down. Then let's hop in and let's draw another curve down. And close it off with a curve at the bottom. And then inside, let's draw a curve up from the bottom. Now let's move back up to the top and let's curve it out and down. And a curve back into the side of the head. And again, let's draw a curve up from the bottom. And that's it for the right side of the hair. Now let's hop back over and let's start in the center and let's draw a curve over. Curve it down with a bump. And angle it down to the side of the head. Now for the next piece of hair, let's start on top and we're going to curve it up. And bring it in. And then a longer curve out and down. Now inside, let's add another curve in the same way. And close it off at the bottom. Now inside this top section, let's add another curve down. And then a line over at the bottom. Now to finish off the left, let's bring it down and back into the side of the head. And then one more piece coming out on the side with 2 angles out. And close it off. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 long lines down. Then let's hop back up and let's draw a line out on each side for the shoulders. And then let's bring it down. And close off each side with a line across. Now let's hop in and let's draw the collar. From the top, let's draw 2 angles down. Angle it back in and align all the way down to the bottom. Now top in between and let's draw the t-shirt. At the top, let's draw 2 curves underneath the head. And then a line across at the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw a small angle out. And then angle it down. And let's add another angle on the inside. And close off the bottom of each arm. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the sleeves by drawing an angle across. Now at the end of each arm, we're going to draw the hands. Let's draw a curve up and back around, leaving it open at the bottom. Now inside, let's add a curve. And then curve it down and out on each side for the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then another set of angles for the outside of the legs. Now to close off the bottom, let's draw a bump up on each side. And then inside each leg, let's draw a line across near the bottom. Now for the shoes, let's draw a line down on each side. And a curve across. And then inside, let's draw another curve at the bottom. And add some vertical stripes inside. And that's it for the Bacon Hair Boy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!